Dothedashkj, man. What's poppin', man, with y'all, man, on this beautiful day? Gotta get the cats replaced, so I just wanted to tune y'all in on that. And yeah, I just wanted to tune y'all in on that. Yeah, how y'all doing, man? Dropping another vlog for y'all boys. So about 2 weeks, we're gonna have a nice upgrade for the Type S. So y'all stay tuned for that. Then we got some cosmetic slash, bumper accessories. I just put it that way. We got that coming too. So my other son just came out here from St. Louis. Can't wait to see him. I miss him. This actually be the first time him and his brother, meet. Besides, FaceTime and stuff, because he's so far away, over 1,000 miles away. St. Louis ain't, somewhere you can just drive to. I had to catch like 2 flights to get there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, everything good though, man. A lot of blessings, bro. Make sure y'all, count y'all blessings, man. Even y'all ain't got what y'all want, but y'all got what y'all need. That's all you need. You know what I'm saying? That's all you need to worry about. This little fucking CTS want some problems or what? What's this, a BRZ Subaru or 86? They look the same to me. What y'all think? The Toyota 86s or no, this is actually a, damn, you took the emblem. You can't even tell if it's I think this is an 86 Toyota. Oh, BRZ, man. So yeah, BRZ gang. You know what I'm saying? Boy, got that wing on that motherfucker. They got the souffle at the back of that bitch, you got that motherfucking last dragon on that bitch, man. Sir, and they got all the arrows. Damn, is the bolts camped out on that bitch too? Motherfucking bolts, titanium. About to head to the mall, man. About to head to this mall, dude, cause they forgot my little man other shoes, man. They gave me one fucking shoe, man. I can't believe it. My homeboy told me, he was like, let me see the shoes. I just opened up the box and one fucking shoe is there, man. Come on, them bitches fire, man. There's some school shoes, man, so you can scuff around there. You ain't gotta wear his crop. Yeah, we heading to the mall though, just to get the other damn shit. I'm gonna keep it straight 100. Came out the mall, Just got my son his shoes. And they gave your boy an extra pair of socks for the extra trip. So this is the problem. Go out to my car and I go to start it. The fucking shit click, 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 click. So I had to get a fucking jump. You know, thanks to this lady. She gave your boy a jump. But man, dude, it's so damn hot out here. Like I literally just got a new battery at the beginning of this year, and I already gotta replace it. You know what I'm saying? My boy over there working on it. He over there working on it right now. Cool dude. So I'm up here at Arby's. I'm at Arby's with it, y'all. Cool fucking dude, man. That O'Reilly's, man. Shit. The coating went off on the car and shit, so no more check engine light. Got that cleared, but got a new battery and it started right up, man. I had to go ahead and pull out my security, my anti-theft. When the battery goes out, or you disconnect the battery and shit, it blocks off and it locks the screen and shit. So you gotta put your own personalized code in to unlock the radio and the navigation and shit. Kinda like some James Bond shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Shit like that, man. Let us hit the road, man. Back on the road. Good looks, man. O'Reilly. Yes, sir. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Y'all tune in to the next vlog, man. Appreciate y'all, man. Would you fucking guess it? Gotta get a new tire, man. We about to get brand new tires. Fuck it, cause I don't know if y'all can hear it, but the backs are done. I can hear the wires hitting the fucking fenders, man. What a day I'm having, right? I thought the day was over. Get to chill out for the rest of the day, but doing the drum roll back there. That thing doing the. That's not doing the drum roll back there. Tired doing the drum roll, man. Yeah. It's that one tire. I got a spare. Don't get me wrong. I don't want to put a spare tire. I'd rather just buy a real tire. You know, I'm not about to put the spare on it. If y'all know how Acura spare wheels look, y'all know why. It don't look like the 17-inch NKs that's on here. It do not look like the waffles that's on here, so that's why. The tire shop, I'll be there in 13 minutes. I'm gonna get there at 6:55. Cause I can't go fast. This shit sound like I got a burble tune. And I can't go fast or it's just gonna shred apart. So I'm just taking my time getting there. And they like, oh, you're closed at 7. All right, nigga, like y'all wanna, I'm getting a pair from y'all, man. I'm about to spend like 200. I'm like, man, y'all tripping, man. Do business the right way, man. But I'm gonna get there, y'all. I'm gonna get there, man. Firestone. All right. So we on our way home, man. God bless these people, man. Man, dude. God bless. Second accident we done seen. Look at all the traffic. They got a tow up right there. But man, we on our way to the crib, man. Y'all stay blessed.